Hi, in this video we will make a parametric solar canopy in Rhino. Let's begin. We will use millimeter unit, enable ortho and OSNAP, make sure mid is checked. Front line 0 600 line 300 arc start end direction trim. Select arc, remove line between arc, select arc and line, join, offset. Cap, flat, distance, 15. Double-click on front, perspective. ExtractCrv. Both sides, solid yes, 5. Change display mode to shaded. Line from mid, 50. Select extrusion, ArrayPolar, center of polar from line end, number 30, angle, 360, enter. Double-click on perspective, top. Circle, center of circle is line end, 650. Offset 50. Select two circles, double-click on perspective. SetPt, mark Z only, location mid of rectangle. ExtractCrv, solid, both sides. 25. Change view. Render. Thanks for watching, see you in the next tutorial.